Here's the leaky capacitors in the Ford ECU. Focus. You can see right there the corrosion. Wow. So I'm going to take a Sharpie, make a black line on each side. That is the negative. The black side's the negative. So I'm just going to do that. I also have a picture. I'm going to unsolder them. This is the one here that is the worst. Can't get in close enough for it to focus. Let's swap these out, see if it makes a difference. Here's the pack, the part number. It's a complete rebuild kit for $87.96 Ford ECU. Got all the different capacitors in there. There's each type. There's the company. Got it next day. Super quick.